Hey viewers, welcome back to a video for the channel. In the last video, we spoke about the WP reset, how to reset your whole WordPress website with just a plugin, and really quite great without you having the effort of going delete everything manually, clicking all the posts, clicking, you need to get all out of it. Just use the WP reset and just get it done in one click of a button and one typing of a word. In this video, I'll be speaking about adding a theme to my WordPress site, and in this series, in this playlist, is generally a local host, creating my project offline, and it's all about the store though. And what's generally the purpose of it is me showing you how different plugins work. So, for one, the WP reset has been off the checklist. In other words, I'll be speaking about Monster SEO and Only One SEO, and yeah, there's so many different SEO tools that I've used, and which one's best, how to configure the best one, and yeah, that's generally it. So here I'm going to upload the theme, and this theme is going to be a store theme. I can generally just create a website off scratch, but I'm not going to be doing that because yeah, it's kind of way like tedious. Everything's already done for you. Now, when you install the theme, it has the name of the theme, and also it has the name of the theme followed by the word child. So some of them you'll see the name of the theme followed by parent. So them have parent and child, or just the name of the theme followed by child. Yeah, that's generally how it works. Now, what are you going to be doing? You need to install both. So first off, I usually install the parent theme, and it takes quite a little, not too long. If you have done it on WordPress, yeah, is that video is not for you. If you're still watching, that means you probably want to see how parent and child works and get an explanation. Now, when you install the parent theme, do not activate it. You're going to be going back to the themes page. Then you're going to add in your theme. You're going to add the lighter weight version of it, which is the child right now. You can see the child is just a few kilobytes. Now the parent theme contains most of the coding. Generally, majority of the coding is in the parent, and the child generally is the editable one. They kind of look like the same thing if you activate it, but the child is the editable one. So you're gonna press install. It's gonna happen quite easy. Now here you can see the parent theme, and this is the version is currently installed. So here you can activate the child. You only activate the child. Now, if you get into, let's say, doing PHP and working the back end of WordPress, generally you will only go to themes and customize or view the theme files of the parent. That's where you'll get the function.php for all the codes, every single details, every single backend information that you need is in the parent theme. The child is just the editable one, makes the website load much quicker. So here you can see there's a bunch of different plugins that need to be installed. So you're going to begin your plugin installation. Select all, install. So there's R11, and yeah, you do not need Intel for that because all that is already available in your parent theme. Now that's okay, it's already available in your parent theme, but with internet you can actually get the updated versions. It sometimes updates it manually for you, sorry, automatically for you, but that's how it generally works. So let's wait for this to get installed. Okay, so all themes has been installed. I can now return to the plugin installer and now activate them. So I'm going to select this all checklist here. Then I'm going to activate. Now this theme comes with lots of demos. So how it usually works is when you install the theme, it comes with a plugin, which is one that you will install just like how I just did. And now I'm going for, I think that theme setup right here. So in the theme setup, there's going to have the ability, the only theme setup, but there's different names to it. Sometimes it's a plugin, sometimes you'll see demo install, um, sometimes you'll see Docken. There's many different ones. If it's built with Docken, you'll see Docken. But in that case, this one says theme setup, and generally no, I'm in the wrong place because I've never used that theme before. So here you can see the best options, and there you can see every single thing as in the blog, the styling. This is where you can configure it. And so here you can see theme up setup. Just used it a while ago, so that was not generally where I got to go to import my demo. Now if I'm having any issues, all I have to do is just simply just go to the documentation or better. So here you can see that there's all these here. Alright, so theme setup was actually the right place. So in the parentheses, I'll be going back to theme setup. And what I realized is that there is an error. There's a PHP error right here, but it doesn't bother me. That's from WP reset. It most likely is having a code that conflicts or PHP file that conflicts, but it doesn't matter. The way to solve that or get rid of that error is just to disable WP reset, but as I said, it doesn't matter. So I just click next, can click next again, and this is the way I will be importing my demo data. So here you can see demo content. What I want to import is, don't watch the demo online, the demo is already there. There's many different layouts, but I will choose, so I'll just pause this recording and choose which layout I want. So I've gone through all of them, and nah, I don't really like the theme based on the appearance, but that's okay because I can customize it with Elementor or whatever else. So I'm going to import demo 1, which is this one, and that's generally how it looks here. So it looks quite okay. I really like the fact that this hamburger menu, it slides to the side, and yeah, so I'm going to import it. And when it's imported, that's generally it for this video. There's nothing much to really explain as to when it's imported. When it's imported, it's going to look exactly like this. So generally that's it for this video. Like and subscribe. The next video I will be going more in depth with what really pertains to what you might be expecting, what you might have searched for, and it will most likely be something to do with a plugin. And yeah, that's it. So most likely I'll be working with the payments, PayPal specifically. I will not be using Stripe. I can use PayPal because it accepts all major cards, and it also accepts PayPal. I'll be adding stuff like Google Pay, and all for the login also. I'll be adding different logins like Facebook login, Google login, so you don't have to actually have a login where you have to go verify your email, because most people don't even know their email password, and most people don't want to go verify emails anymore. So generally that's it. Thanks for watching. Sub and like.